Howdy, howdy. Making a little video of packing up the crusher. We've disconnected the pin. That connects the crusher. Mario's letting cable out on those hand winches. And you can see the cylinder is starting to fold in. Well, we got a nice day in Dallas. I mean nice. It's got some slots cutting that cross member, and that cylinder will rest right there. All right. Now I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna start. The cylinder's sucking back in there. That one's done. YouTube will probably pick that as the what do they call that thumbnail? You can see. We'll drop that pin out. Now this side's already packed up. Arriba. Like I said, I'm just giving it just little bitty bumps. He's already got the pin out. All right, same thing. He's just gonna start. Yeah, it's been a little bit, man. Maybe poquito caliente, the torcha and motillo.
Arriba, arriba, okay. Too caliente inside. No problema.
He's gonna do the same thing. He's just gonna let the cable out. Hey, look at the horse. You gotta love that. How many crushing videos have? Well, we're not crushing in this video. We're not crushing this video. It's a. He's just gonna let that cable out until it folds back in there. So the crusher's completely mobile. If we can get our equipment in your location, we'll come crush your cars for you. Tandems, just like on an 18-wheeler trailer. It's got landing gear. There's your kingpin. This is for your airlines and lights. This is the hydraulics that work the landing gear. Just like an 18-wheeler trailer. Sorry, the motor's so loud. And then we have a reel for our airlines. We'll wrap that up. All right, so he's gonna put the pin back in and then secure it. I'm gonna draw that other hydraulic ram back into the cylinder. Yeah? Un momento, Mario. The carta. Un momento. I think I really like my setup here. I think it's gonna work out just great. It ain't easy being easy. Okay, so now we can take our drain rack that we take with us everywhere we go. I got you, Mario. It always happens like this. There it is. That's what I really wanted it to do, was to lean down. I got it, Mario. I'm gonna fix it, brother. I promise. I got you, Mario. And we'll put our gas buggy up there. Our oil and gas buggy. I know y'all can't see much. Then we'll get our dolly. This is our dolly that we use. We wrap our bundles up with. It's so hard to see. It's so hard to see. Okay. Then we got a empty barrel we'll put up there too. We'll throw all of our rakes, shovels, and hand tools inside the crusher. Oh, he said something about he had to cut the ratchet strap the other day. And so we'll take these ratchet straps here that are on the fender and we'll put them over the rack and strap it down. We've got a barrel clamp that we use to take the oil and gas with us. I'll go hook that up. My bad. Now I'm going to load up the catalytic converter cutter, because it's pretty heavy. But I mean, two people, you can do it by yourself, but it's a lot easier with two people, and it's sure a lot easier with this John Deere. And all right, then also we got two railroad cross ties that we put under the crusher when we crush. They will go inside, and so will my scraper. But I'm gonna help this guy out. He wants me to knock some grass down for him. But that's it, guys. What is it? 15, 16 minutes. We're ready to go. That's it. I thought he might straighten the place up a little bit better for him. That's it, guys. The crusher is ready for transport. Don't take 2 minutes to put them straps on. That's it. Mobile car crushing. Y'all crash them, we'll smash them.
Thank you.